to my balcony, I whisper, stars begin to see, shimmering lights floating gently near, a melody only I can hear. Moon bells glow, silver beams fall slow, every note a secret I know. Winds hum soft, fireflies string along, the night awake in a silent song. A secret orchestra of stars playing melodies just for me. Moonlight shining on my balcony, guiding every harmony. Fireflies, violins in gentle flight, come a strum softly through the night. Clouds sway slow, notes in glowing streams, the sky unfolds my quiet dreams. Raise my head, winds obey, sighs conduct what words can say. Secret orchestra of stars.